Last month, I received some data from Vuka about, Wealthtribers and, their investment behaviors when it comes to investing on the Vuka platform. So I'm about to tell you a few of the things that surprised me, or a few of the things that impressed me about you guys and your investment behavior. And I'm reading from my laptop because it's a presentation, but then I'm going to put screenshots up here for you to see what I'm reading. So the first thing is that we are attracting, or I am attracting, more female investors than males. Yeah, maybe because I'm a girl, so other girls or other women see me talking about investments and they're like, if that girl is investing, then I can also invest. So I'm so happy that the girlies who follow me are investing or are signing up. The other thing is that females have a higher AUM, in that females have a higher asset under management, to mean that the girls have put in more money as compared to the men who follow me, or the men who signed up to Vuka because they learned about it from me. And so from the data I'm seeing, actually I have 465 females and 291 males, and then there is unknown. These are people who didn't fully complete their application, so they don't know where they fall. And the girls have invested around 9,025,841, and the males have invested 7,751,111. So girls, I'm very proud of you. We are securing the bag, we are investing, we are multiplying our money. Next slide is some key metrics. How many people have I influenced to sign up on Vuka ever since I started talking about REITs or Vuka in general 1.5 years ago? The total number is 961 people. Total active clients, these are how many people actually actively buy units on this platform, maybe actively buy units or actively sell units on this platform. That's 799 clients. Total holdings, or how many units do Wealthtribers own on the Vuka platform? That is 775 units, 347. Assets under management, how many millions have we invested on the Vuka platform as Wealthtribers? It is 16.7 million. All 16.7 million. And then what is a churn rate? Churn rate is about how many people left, right? After people signed up on Vuka and bought units, how many of these people left? That is, the churn rate is 11%. That is very low. I would be concerned if it was like 50% or above, or even 40%, because it would mean that people were signing up on this platform and then leaving because maybe they were thinking that Vuka is a short-term investment, or maybe they were dissatisfied by the investment, or maybe they were dissatisfied. But I'm happy that the churn rate is at 11%, to mean that a lot of you are signing up on Vuka and staying, right? A lot of you are remembering what I said, that Vuka or the Acorn I-Reit is not a short-term investment. It's not a short-term investment, and that's why I keep saying, if you want to invest your money for the short term or for something like your emergency fund, please open a money market fund. Don't put that money on Vuka. So the churn rate is 11%. You guys are staying. You guys are here for the long term. And then the average investment per person. The average investment per Wealthtriber is 21,009 shillings. That's nice. That's nice, knowing that I keep telling you guys that you can start investing on Vuka with as low as 1,000 bob. It means that beyond the 1,000 shillings, you guys are buying more units. After signing up with your 1,000 shillings, you guys are buying more units and you guys are topping up, which is really awesome. The next slide is another age analysis, which says that the 30 to 40 year age group has the highest holdings, followed by the above 50-year-old age group. So, a majority of the people who follow me across platforms, whether it's my blog, YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, are between the age of 25 to 34. So it's like my age group are the ones who follow me. So literally it makes, for me, creating content is fun, because I usually tell myself I'm creating content for myself. I'm creating content as advice to myself, and then it resonates with the people who are in my age group. But then, so people between 30 to 40 year olds have the highest holdings, as in you guys own the highest number of units, and then followed by the people who are above 50. So people above 50 follow me. Wealthtribers between the age of 40 to 50 have higher individual holdings, as in, as individuals they own a higher number of units. Of course, it makes sense because somebody who is 40 and above, it means they're probably higher in their ranking at work. They've climbed the career ladder, or they're earning more money. They're making more money, which means then they're able to cover their expenses, and now they have more money available. They have more disposable income. Actually, they have more disposable income, and they have more money available to invest. And then the last thing says that Agatha attracts a wider age group. Yes, it means that I attract a wider age group to mean that I am attracting people. I get a lot of DMs from university students telling me that, they watch my content and they'd like to start investing. Karibuni sana to the Wealth Tribe. And then, as you can see, I'm attracting from people in uni who are, between the ages of 17 all the way to people above 50. In fact, the oldest person I have coached, one-on-one financial coaching, was 58 or is 58. So yeah, come through. The next slide says that the Wealth Tribe as a channel generates investors with a long-term mindset. And so the lifespan 2 years is best performing, followed by the 1 year. So in a nutshell, you guys are here to stay. You guys, I've created, imagine by now I've created over 20 videos about the concept of investing in REITs in Kenya. And so by now you've learned that I keep insisting that Vuka is a long-term investment, just like I said earlier. And so if you want to invest your money in the short term, do not put it in Vuka. You want to invest in Vuka for like 5 years, for like 10 years. It's like, and as I said, for me, I use Vuka as one of my retirement plans. So I'm here for 10 years, for 15 years, for 20 years. So I'm glad you have learned. Last slide says that the silver category is the most popular category. If you've been here long enough, you know that investing in Vuka has categories, membership tiers. The lowest one is the silver category, where we invest, where that one is for people who are investing between 0 to 100,000. And then there's another category. The other categories are platinum plus, gold, and diamond, right? So it says the silver category is the most popular category, and even I am in that category. I have invested less than 100,000 in Vuka. So far I have around 42,000. But if you've been watching my videos this year, I said that this year 2024 I have this goal to invest 5,000 shillings every month into the Vuka platform, and I've been doing that. Even now, right now, I have 5,000 shillings in my dynamic wallet balance, and I'm waiting. Right now there are no units to buy. I'm waiting for the floodgates of units to be open for me to buy. So thank you for trusting me. Finally, there's a Wealthtriber who DM'd me and told me that she was like, thank you, Agatha, for showing us your Vuka dashboard, for showing us how many units you own, for showing us how much money you have invested. And she said this lady is in her mid-30s, and she had never started her investment journey, because she always thought that for you to start investing, you have to have, 1 million shillings, 500,000. And so she always procrastinated her investment journey. But when she went to my YouTube channel and she realized, man, I have, currently I started investing in Vuka with less than 1,000 bob, and now I have built it up slowly and slowly, and now I'm at 42,000. She was like, so you mean I can start investing in real estate with 1,000 bob? And I was like, yeah. So she was just very grateful that I'm open enough to share my dashboard for you to see that journey, for you guys to see that journey. And I'm mostly proud of her because she took the time to watch the content, to understand what is a REIT, to understand how REITs in Kenya work, the structure of REITs and the REITs available, and most importantly, she put her money in it.